Jesus, look at this hair. So we are about to have breakfast and then we're gonna go see if we can find a puppy. Are you excited, baby?
About the breakfast?
Yeah.
And a puppy.
She says that now. She's gonna be losing her mind when she sees a dog. So we'll see. We'll see what we find. Bon appetit, baby.
Thank you.
Alright, we've made it to Miami-Dade Animal Shelter. I don't know what I was about to say. There's the future mama. Turn around, babe. Hi. We're gonna go see if we find a new puppy. Shout out to Miami-Dade Animal Shelter.
They all look really big.
Let's see. Oh my god, look at all these doggies that need homes. Look. Alright, so briefly, you have to walk around, find a dog that you like, you know, like you see them. And they have like pictures in front of their cages. You gotta take a picture of the dog that you like, you bring it up to the front, and then they give you their info. We picked one. She's a little sicky, but you know, we're gonna take a look at her, see if we get along, if she likes us. And then if you like her and she's already been vaccinated and fixed, then you can take her the same day. So we'll see how it goes. Tenemos de aquí hasta aquí.
She's a psycho.
I think we're okay. Just tried it, yeah. A new puppy.
That's how you know we do good.
Come here.
Kaya?
Don't doubt it.
Kaya? Kaya?
Se me va a ver en el carro for sure. Baby.
This is not what I'm used to. You don't is a lot better.
She's pulling like a motherfucker. Yeah. A terrier something. We're not sure. Okay, I'll look at the papers. Thank you. So what is she? No sé. She's being. Good girl. Good girl. Ether's good girl. She doesn't want it. Maybe she. I think she knows how to pee already because she's a foster.
Good girl. Open the door, baby.
Okay. My pants.
Alright, so I'd like to finally introduce to you the new member of the Carrera Morales clan. This is Kaya. This is our new baby, Kaya. Yeah? You're such a spoiled little puppy. Hey. Kaya? Gorda? Hi, mommy. Vanessa, yes, revenge.
She's fat.
we're missing one, but the other one is an old cranky guy. He doesn't like going out, so here are the two puppies. Kitty, let's check your sister out because I found something weird. Okay, you see here she's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We're good. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Here 4, 5. Oh, normal. But then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the hell is this? She has an extra toe. Look at this. She has a whole extra toe. Kaya? I know, baby, your sister is weird.
After 6 hours, the jury decided that, in an absolute sense, Sutcliffe did know what he was doing.
There's no more money left, sorry. Yay!
Get back YouTube.
¿Está bien?
No, pero tienes una mano, casi no se siente. Alright, we just got done with our tattoos. Here we go. So exciting. I'll show the final result by the end of the video. And now we're gonna be checking out an Indian restaurant that baby found online. We'll see how it is. You're supposed to open up. Alright, we made it into the restaurant and we ordered this is not on the menu, but they'll tell you, and if they don't tell you, just ask for it. It's the mango margarita, the mango spicy margarita, and it's so good. The mango just tastes so fresh. Yum. And we also got our first plate. Let me show you quick. Alright, here's our first plate, and it's the pakora mix. We forgot what it is. Well, we're gonna be trying it out soon and letting you know how it goes.
Oh,
Actually,
I remember it was fried onion.
try it.
Fried onion and like a bunch of spices and shit.
Good?
Oh, fuck. Let me try the other one. That sauce is good.
Alright, so we get the deets. It's eggplant, what else, babe? Onion and spinach. It's so good, it's so fried. And you know, we Miamians like fried food, so it's not too pretty. It looks like a spider But I promise it tastes so good.
The sauces are good. Like they taste very.
Here we go. We got some. Ooh, out of focus. There we go. We got some lamb, chicken, cheese naan for my girlfriend, and then some butter naan for me. Deliciousness. Hey, babe. Siempre con el chisme tú. Are you happy? Are you excited?
Super excited.
When are we leaving? Oh, almost there, babe. It's almost here. Are you done packing? Me neither.
I'm not even halfway.
I haven't even checked in.
Seriously,
I'll check in. I forgot. Remind me when we get home.
now when we're done.
No, my nails. Look,
When we finish.
I'll be driving when we're finished. I'll get it done. Don't worry. All right. Say bye. No, bye. All right. So we really didn't want to cook, or I should say, I didn't want to cook. So we came to eat sushi. This is our last meal in Miami for the time being. Tomorrow night we'll be having dinner in Tulum, Mexico. So exciting. We still have a lot to do though, so we're probably not gonna get a whole lot of sleep, but still, we are super excited and ready to go. All right, y'all. We did it. Jen just put the doggies to bed. We are in bed. It's 1:58 a.m. in the morning. We're gonna go. No, we're gonna get picked up. Baby, did I confirm? We're gonna get picked up at 4 a.m. in the morning. So, yeah, we have 1 hour to sleep, but I have to finish editing something. So I probably won't sleep. But baby's going to bed now, so we did it. We finished packing, checked in, did our nails, ate. Next stop, Cancun Airport. Good night. Back to my home base down in Miami. I just want to remind you guys to please like, comment, and subscribe. But most importantly, please subscribe. And also go and find me on all of my social media platforms under Jet Like Gal. Thanks.